Okay guys, this is a short tutorial on how to upload videos on YouTube. So I have a account created here. What you would essentially need to do is click on this little plus camera video button and go to upload video. Now when you click on that, you can click on this, select files to upload. Let me just pick a video here called Teachers of India, for example. Now when you click on that, and this starts uploading. So over here, it'll take about, it says here, it'll take about 25, 26 to 27 minutes to upload. So I'll show you just really quickly what you need to put in the video in terms of the title, in terms of the description, and in terms of the tags that will allow the video to get maximum reach, that will allow the video to get as many eyeballs as possible. So make sure the title is short and snappy. Make sure it doesn't run along too much. So my video is essentially about an ancient Indian astronomer called Varah. So the name of the series that I'm producing is called Teachers of India. So that's all I have in there, Teachers of India, Varah. Now in the description, what you should try and make sure is have a slightly longer description. Don't have a very short description. This applies more to sort of smaller channels. If your channel is small, try to have a longer description because it just helps with the YouTube algorithm and it just helps with discoverability. If you have a big channel and if you have a lot of subscribers, then a small description will do just fine because you already have a pretty big base to go off of. So in the description, what is or what will be useful is to have keywords. So for example, Teachers of India, use the Teachers of India in there. Use Varah a couple of times within your description as well. And just describe briefly what your video is going to be about, describe briefly who Varah is, and describe briefly what the series is. After that, you can also provide your, once you have the description ready, what you can do is you can provide your social media information over here, right over here. After that, if you have any sources that you've chosen for this video that you've produced, if you've used any sources of the internet, just for copyright issues, just to protect yourself against any copyright infringement, just put the sources and the links down here. Oopsie daisy. And the links down here. And that should more or less do it with the description. Now we come to another interesting topic, the tags. Now the tags are, again, for a smaller channel, even for larger channels, to be very honest, very important. Because again, it helps with discoverability. It helps with how many people are actually going to be watching your videos, how many eyeballs you're going to be able to get on YouTube. So tags are very important. And so essentially what you're doing is you're looking for all the relevant tags. So when it comes to Teachers of India, you're looking at ancient science in India. You're looking for ancient mathematicians in India. You're looking for the keywords in here, Teachers of India, Varah. So you're looking for all the relevant tags. Another really easy way to find tags is this website called rapidtags.io. It's a free, go to that website and there it is. Go to that website and use the here. Essentially, you can just plug in the heading or certain keywords that you want to find in here. And for example, like that, and it'll find you a lot of useful tags that are related to those keywords as well. That will help you find some good tags that will help you with discoverability. Another very useful thing to do is you can just go to YouTube. You can then, taking a little while there, buddy. There we go. You can go to YouTube. You can go to, for example, search Varah here, because that's what my video is going to be about, right? So you can go to one of the most watched videos, for example. So by the looks of it, this one's pretty well watched. It's got 9.6 thousand views. Go to that video, click on it, and here's a little trick that you can use. Click Control U. When you click Control U, it opens this weird source page. So you click Control F and you click keywords. You type in keywords, and you get a lot of these very useful keywords over here. Now, these keywords are keywords that this video used, this previous video used that had 9.6 thousand views to promote their video, to ensure that a lot of people would go watch their video. So if you could use some of these keywords over here to put in your tags for your video, that will help you gain a larger number of eyeballs than you would if you hadn't used these tags over here as well. So once you have those tags used over here, we move on to playlist. Now, creating a playlist also helps building more of a audience base and making sure that not just this video, but people are watching a number of videos and they keep clicking from video to video to video on your channel, and just helps viewership on your channel as well. So what you can do is you can just create a new playlist. For example, you can just create a new playlist, Teachers of India, and create it. And you can just add it to that playlist over there. And then comes the thumbnail. Now, the thumbnail is a very important aspect of the video as well, because the thumbnail is what first attracts somebody to that video. So make sure the thumbnail is also, it's got pictures, so I'll show you an example. Now, I'm not the best at making thumbnails, but this is just an example. Well, I don't have one right now, but essentially what you're doing is you're putting in the pictures, you're putting in some text, and the text could be, just Teachers of India, Varah Mihir, and you're putting in pictures that are eye-catching. You put a nice picture of Varah Mihir, you put a nice picture of either yourself, you put a nice picture of the stars, and you use the text that kind of, brings people into the video. So again, let me just show you an example. An example could well be, let me just go to YouTube again. Go to youtube.com. Let's just look at some of these over here. Varah Mihir. Type that over there. And you see, this is a video right there. So look at that. That one's my video that I put on as well. So that one's got the picture of Varah Mihir. You've got the picture of the Pascal's triangle that he discovered. You've got the picture of the Hale-Bopp comet that he discovered. Then you've got the Teachers of India, Varah Mihir in there. So that's a decent example of a thumbnail as well that kind of catches the eye and encourages people to click on the video. So once you've added that thumbnail, you're pretty much set. Well, you can also go to advanced settings and you can choose the language in which it is, and you can allow viewers to contribute translated titles. So if you don't want to add the subtitles yourself, you can actually allow viewers here, if they would like to contribute titles and descriptions and subtitles as well. The rest you don't really need to necessarily mess with. And once you've done that, you're pretty much ready to go. You can click on publish, and that will publish your video. And that's an easy way. Hopefully it was a simple way to publish and upload videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching.